SAIC Maxus has launched its new energy light vehicle brand Dana V1. Dana V1 will launch two models, the short-axle low-roof, 42 kWh, version, priced at 153,800 yuan, and the Dana V1 short-axle high-roof, 42 kWh, version, priced at 157,800 yuan. Dana V1 adopts a more agile and elegant appearance design. The front of the car shows a combination of squares and circles aesthetic design. Although it is a Taiwanese commercial vehicle, the actual front of the car resembles an A0 class sedan. The round headlights and black decorative panels are quite recognizable. Dual color combination is adopted on the side of the car. The combination of white on top and yellow on the bottom gives people a glamorous feeling. The Dana V1 will be a box truck, so it only has first-row seats and a closed cargo box in the back. To reduce the wind resistance coefficient, the new car will adopt wheel hub and door handle designs with low wind resistance. The design of the rear of the car also reflects the front of the car. The taillights on both sides take on an oval shape, and the rear bumper adopts the same design as the front bumper. The tailgate adopts a split design, with a larger opening area on the left and a smaller opening area on the right, making it easier to transfer cargo and operate in a small space. The interior of the Dana V1 is also more inspired by the design of passenger cars. The new car is equipped with a 7-inch LCD instrument panel as standard. It also has a functional steering wheel. It can be customized according to consumer needs, including configurations such as central control location, central control display. Dana V1 also features 1.6 square meters of central control platform space that can be instantly transformed into a desk or dining table, making it easier and faster to use. The new car even has 18 expanded storage spaces, and items exceeding 100 liters can be easily accommodated, which is suitable for many logistics practitioners. In terms of seating arrangement, Dana V1 is the only model in its class with 3 seats. The driver's seat is separate and the 2 seats on the right are one-piece designs. The biggest advantage of this design is that it increases the use of space in the vehicle and can instantly turn into a single bed when driving is tiring.